HD 1720-1620 energy-efficient grinding mill is a self-developed product which is designed according to requirements of the market. Material are crushed into bulk material with a diameter of less than 35 mm by the crusher. The crushed material are transported to the storage hopper by the elevator and then fed into the cavity of the main machine, driven by the transmission device. The grinding runner compresses the grinding ring tightly, and then the bulk material will be impacted and pulverized. The grinding force between the grinding runner and the grinding ring is 1.2 times that of the same kind of grinding mill in the market. It has advantages such as large adjustable range and high classification precision. The Big Cyclone collector is the main collecting system which has a high collecting efficiency. For the afterwind configuration pulse collector, the dust collected efficiency reaches as high as 99.99%. It can keep the workshop clean, which basically satisfies the requirements of no powder dust workshop.